Welcome to onSodi.com.
This video is an introduction for the Photoshop techniques for repairing image faults. There are many reasons why you may wish to perform image repairs on your photographs. We will be showing you the correct techniques for repairing image faults, and we will also introduce to you the 3 most common tools for performing this action. Starting with the most common retouching tools, the Spot Healing Brush tool, which is an automatic tool, and the Healing Brush tool and the Clone Stamp tool. The reasons for repairing images may vary depending on your photograph. There may be some unwanted detail in the original scene, a skin blemish in a portrait, or there is dust on the sensor of the camera. Sensor dust is an unfortunate part of digital photography, and it's important to keep your camera equipment clean. Sensor dust prevention is far better than having to spend the time retouching. You can repair image faults in Adobe Camera Raw or in the Photoshop workspace. It really doesn't matter where you perform this action, but by following a non-destructive editing process in Photoshop, it doesn't matter if your repairs are done early in the workflow or later on. But we think it's best to repair faults in the early stages of the retouching processes. Make sure to watch the raw processing video lessons on repairing images, ACR Image Repairs Part 1 and 2, as you may prefer to use Camera Raw facilities when you're first starting off. There are different ways to set up a file for image repair, but by following this workflow, you will be assured of quality repairs, and this technique will benefit you when you start using more advanced retouching techniques. Let's set up the layer stack so we are retouching in a non-destructive fashion. This file just has a simple background layer, and I'm going to come down here and click on the Add New Layer icon, which adds a new layer. You can also add a new layer from the flyout menu. I will rename this layer to Retouch. Renaming layers is important. Once you have selected one of the retouching tools, you need to set the tool to retouch all layers in the options bar. This will place any retouching on a separate layer, which enables you to easily undo any retouching errors. In the following 3 videos, we will discuss the Spot Healing Brush tool, the Healing Brush tool, which has a very similar name, and the Clone Stamp tool.